Olabafethu sisomyeni hayi madoda angiyakhala madoda niyazi mina ngihlala enkhala we're going to speak about football niyazi ukuthi izinto eziningi zenzakalile madoda I'm really not convinced about my team my former team Bafethu. There's a lot to talk about niyazi Bafethu sicala kanjalo Bafethu. We're going to look back from the weekend game to the game yesterday, and then we're going to look forward to the game coming a second leg, Bafethu. And then obviously the big news that we need to talk about, the departure of Tito. Singazi madoda kude lamalanga ngathi ake aliki play safe kuPagania. Ubani uzohamba next. So welcome to the Sifiso Myeni show. Please always engage nathi Bafethu. We are live on Omni Audio Africa. Niyazi madoda. We only speak about football. Any comments, please feel free madoda. Mphethi awuthiyami Mduza. Mduza.
I know, Azkal. Sekhamba noma ubani manje Pirates angeke sibe shocked. Friday seba announce a police but angeke sibe shocked. But siqale ngegame ya weekend, this past weekend Orlando Pirates playing against iSkhukhune lapha eLimpopo bekushisa blind even before igame iqala abantu abaningi bebasho ukuthi we expecting a slow start to the game because of the temperature lapha. But what did you make of the performance of Orlando Pirates?
I think the performance was not that great. You know, it was just an average performance for me. Judging from izinto esaziyo ukuthi what Pirates can do, we know we expect more. We always make sure that we keep the standard. But because of singakhuluma ngeweather, but we always play in such conditions. So. But for me, I will say the performance was not that great. But obviously, Glamalanga, we are Pirates, and standards are corner. We keep it high. Njengoba sisho ukuthi Glamalanga is a winner man, but not convincing. Not knowing is it the lack of Amachita injury, Namachita kunguti departing the team. So yeah. But I was not quite impressed, but we got the results, you know, yeah.
And then Stemas Begale game, a lot of chances were created, but obviously bebahlule ukuconvert abakora lapha ku final third. Orlando Pirates they tried Lumfana lo Masilela ku number 10 where Tito normally plays. We were all shocked to see ukuthi Tito akaqala ngale game, and then lo mfana wadlala lapha struggled lo mfana but ubona ukuthi angazi feed the temperature or yazi ukuthi millions of people around South Africa watching the big team. What did you make of the performance yakhe lo mfana lo against iSkhukhune this past Saturday?
We can give him a slight lapho ukuthi maybe it was his first start, it was his first game, you know, and coming to a position where Tito has been doing well. Gulea came, I saw him, and I saw ukuthi sasentwana yabo, and he still has a lot to learn, and putting him in that position. I think the last time in my show we spoke about it. If Tito is not available, who's gonna fill that gap? You know, because of I think Tito kule season he was coming right. You know, I even saw the coach maybe Kulumangaya, but the boy man is someone that he needs to settle. But at the same time, you know, Guti Amapagania, the fans are a bit patient that much because of they know they hold the standard as cool. So his performance was for me thinking, okay, maybe it's his first game. Intwana isasene shokunyana ukuthi I'm playing for a team like this. Now I'm in the first team, and I need to do well. And then you understand, because sometimes as a player, it's good that you play for the team. But you know, when you get your chance, and it depends where do you get your chance, who was playing there. Because I always believe in when you introduce Intwana Ngane, you don't have to put them in deep end. I always say like gradually, you know. That's why I think Urile, Yonkota, Yombogazi had that thing because of when the previous coach Ribeiro was there. You know, you had Urile coming in where Timia winner, then you build confident. So the boy at this moment is not that confident enough. So that game, because sometimes the game can make you and break you. So for me now, it was not that good, but I give it to him because of it was his first game. Sometimes I'm a nerve. Get two lapha. As inkundla ehlala igcwele. So hey, bazoyenza mistake yogcina uzifihla yabo. That's why I think along the game the boy he faded away, and then I think second half the coach akambuyisanga because of akafunanga umkhama. So yeah.
Yeah, but that's Coach Owadu for you. Uvela balahlele labafana expect ukuthi ba perform. Uchachi on into okuthi after game Saturday bekune debate enkulu online. Jose Rivero versus Coach Owadu. A lot of people are complaining that most of the players beba khona kule 5-year plan eqalwe Jose Rivero, which eventually won Orlando Pirates the treble. But it's as if the Owadu yabasusa bonke laba bantu labo ufuna ukwenza iprint entsha ku Pirates ukuthi isandla sami lesi. Of course losing uTito, losing uTsogofatso Mabasa, losing Dino van Rooyen, and then recently also about Thabiso Libitso, Thabiso Sesani, all of those guys that were there Koguti, they played a lot for Orlando Pirates. Then the biggest shock was seeing uTito angekho kula game. So abantu abaningi bayasho ukuthi no lo coach lo uyasibulala. Do you think coach Abdeslam Owadu is trying ukuthi asuse Operation Rivero out, Operation Owadu now?
Yeah, as a coach, it looks like that now, and as a supporter, it also looks like that because of if you look at it, he won the treble, and most of the players, really, obviously, people are saying, Guti, he won the treble because of Rivero, nan. So right now, Ilentole Yoguti, it's always a case of coach to say they have to build their own team so that ingakhulunywa indaba zokuthi winning ngabo bani ngama player. So what he's doing now obviously is just building up his own team so that people can not say ukuthi wabuilda on top of team yaga Rivero. So that's why he's now changing and chopping and players leaving and others coming, and players are obviously player kunguthi naye uyawazi. That's why you've seen most of the players are Puma Gumarumo that he coached. So I think as a coach, obviously most of the coaches do that. You know, we've seen in other teams, coaches when they get there, they want to build their own team and have their own legacy. You know, sometimes it works for you, sometimes it does not work for you. So yeah, Nanjongo Bubo Naguti, a lot of players that have been there, and yeah, now Gungu to try to build a team yake. And also, you know, obviously there's news that Banbani, now we must make sure that the changing room is everything. La Gungu to Konguibamba corner, you know. So it might be good for him, but at the same time might be bad for him. And in structuring his own team, you know. After winning that treble, at least maybe we try to after a double treble asas, but who knows? Maybe it's not to coach, but maybe management also is also involved in terms of certain players leaving.
Are you worried about Orlando Pirates releasing a key players wabo and giving these youngsters an opportunity?
Truly worried, very worried. We've always had this, you know, when we were still playing, you know, that you need senior players. There's no way. Angeke win anything abantwana. I've been honest. You can't. You know, I've learned this when I started playing professional football, that sometimes as a youngster you need a machita who have been there, who have done it, so that you can learn from them. Because if ingiyangena mina ngintwana eziphumele kahle singidlalele iPagania ungeke mfethu ngana umuntu okhona ukungitshela, then I'll think I've arrived and I won't play to my full potential. So losing a lot of players and senior players, it becomes a worry for me, because of, we must understand that we still have a curve that we are looking forward to, and most of those players who have left, they were part of the curve squad. You understand? That went to, I think, semi-final. You understand? So if you take away that thing, do these youngsters know the pressure of playing in the CAF? Because the CAF isn't training, in fact. You understand that you have to be away from your family. Not layer manje where you camping Friday, you play Saturday. So lapaya uye Congo, lapaya awazi nokuthi udla ini, udla umuntu da. So will they have that courage, you know? Dressing room ikude, take 2 hours to get grounding, but bawufika bekuyi 30 minutes. So there's a lot. So if you don't have players that know that thing and that have been there so that they can speak to these youngsters, it's gonna be a problem. So for me, it's worrying, man. It's worrying unless the coach comes out and says he's building his own team, and we must not expect a wow or any trophy this season. So as Chile Eli, good matter, I'm just building because of one thing I know: you can't win trophies with only youngsters without senior players. It has never happened. If you can look at the past few teams, few years, PSL is 30 years now, and look at all the teams that won trophies and also won the league, you can see that there's always a balance of youngsters and senior players. So I'm worried.
And then izolo badlalile futhi Orlando Pirates against Sekhukhune United. Another game without Tito. Well, this time we all knew ukuthi Tito sekayahamba. Masilela starts again, but sibone Police was playing more of that number 10 role uKhlulu Masilela. He was there throughout the game until baze bamkhipha. Even when he scored a goal lakhe, yabona ukuthi umuntu vele wabona ukuthi itakhathi adlalela phaya. Given what you saw on Saturday and what you saw yesterday, do you think Orlando Pirates will miss Tito?
Yeah, for me they will. I think it goes back to the same thing I said. Guti started the season well. Obviously, last season was the ups and downs because of really had to play in that role. But this season he was doing well. He was coming into the party. I think I also heard the coach speak about him in terms of he had the right mentality coming to the preseason. So for me, we will, man. We will. If not, make a very, very good signing, because that number 10 role is important in football. You know, when you play in the center, we always have the number 10 because we don't use two strikers. So I think we will, man. We will, man. I think he has given Pirates so much. He has won so much for the team, and then see him go the way he left. I might not know what happened, but like Pirates, 2 weeks back he was playing. The next gone kanjalo nje. No one is safe. So hence we're saying Guti. I've been saying that maybe the coach that just try, man. If maybe there's no signing, let's see what Apolis can do in the number 10 position. Jongo Vushilo Izolo, he was playing more. I think it was all about not knowing if Amachita accounting tried and helped that boy, because I think maybe Amachita Shilogut, because of his not doing well, let him go play on the side, and then Apolis comes inside. I think it was an infield decision from the guys just to help the boy Guti Yabo so that he can go outside and then let Apolis play inside. Because Nami, I saw him play more wide and then Apolis inside. So I don't think it's something that the coach said, hey, Bafet, let's try this. I think Amachita, they were trying to protect the boy.
Yeah, as Bahlala Bashama legend, with Masesingena fielding, Itama coach sombona half time. A good decision, by the way. But besides Ozuna Police, if Orlando Pirates doesn't go maybe sign a number 10 or a creative playmaker, when you look within the squad to Orlando Pirates, which player or players do you think can be that replacement for Tito and offer Orlando Pirates the creativity they need in that number 10 role?
Yeah, I think for me, as I said, I've said it before the season started, before Tito was playing there, in terms of him getting those minutes. I've said it. let's try your policy there. Maybe can give us what we want. He's more creative, and you can see now Ngati is starting to lean on wanting to play that position. And as a player, sometimes we are not the same. Khona ama player khona ukuya ku coach with the coach awungizame la. You understand that vele thina in nowadays vele bomlanda coach ukuthi mfethu awuthi ngiyibambe la awungizame kancane la maybe ngibone training. So for me, I still believe that let's try a police there so that we see pressure gulo mfana lo Masilela, because now he's still young, he still has to learn. You understand? And I'm hearing about maybe Popo Zobuya. I've seen Popo play, but he's more of a winger. You understand? But he can replace Tito. So I think for me, the only option that we have right now, it's our police, and his experience will play a big role. We don't know Angitu Yamazu Coach Ushalati. There's former players and podcasters and what. They always want to be coaches and what. Hey, Glamalanga Sesawano Kuluma, but oh well, for me now, I think our police. I think I've said it, and I've said it long before. After I really left, I said it that let's try our police in that number 10 position, and let's see Guchanga's pan. We might never know, it might work, it might not work, but at least unless there's something that Pirates management is hiding from us.
Yeah, unless calling abasifihlele and Lama coach waku social media hlale masofeni. They must just sit on their couches by coach, Now, Askulume, let's talk about the game holistically. For me, Beba Peta Izolo, they played like a team, Befunugwina, Begune energy, Begune rhythm. What did you make of the performance here, Orlando Pirates versus Kukune United last night, Orlando Amstel Arena?
Yeah, I was not that convinced. Looking at the obvious in the game margin, you always capitalize on mistakes of the opposition. And one thing I saw, the 2 goals that we scored, it was mistakes from the Skukune guys, And one thing I'm happy about is that I've said it before, and I've said it in the show. Yazi Omni, we give you the clips. You can go back, Bafethu, Pegama clips. I said it, and I said it Nagumtui out Chamla of air, Ngati, Radio Pan can give us something. And yesterday he showed that he wants to give us something. So the question is consistency, obviously. So he came as Olo. A lot of players came into the party. I was impressed by Radio Pani and obvious Umtiani. I was so impressed because they showed that they want to win, and they played as like a team. But also, I think Skukune was poor, man. For me, they were. I didn't think they were playing, but not by Asaba, But obviously, I think we didn't create more chances up as all. We created a lapo, and then obviously ends up saying a big impact from Radio Pane, Mtiani, Mukobodi played, and I didn't think Sibelewele and the defense was tested that much. Izolo. So sometimes you can say I'm happy that we got a clean sheet again, and I think the coach said it, and I've seen it also that Izolo we got a result, but it was not pretty. But sometimes that's how you win games. It doesn't have to be always pretty. As long as you get the 3 points in the back, Simnandi. But also, the coach is trying to give everyone a chance, and I wasn't that impressed with Umsendani. And I know what he can do, because I've played against him in when I was still playing in Botswana. I played against him, and I still think he can give more. You understand? So yeah. But yeah, we got the results, but I was happy with certain individuals. And obviously ungenile naye ubani uZulu ngizwe sebambiza lapha e-stadium Zulu bakaTleripola Zulu hey ngithi no he played. I think also that's why I'm saying yeah, well deserved, but also Rio Party I think he also deserved the man of the matches also. As khona abantu abachuzayo ngoba eshaya ishibobo la boy sekana 2 phela I'm shani eshaya ishibobo. So but I'm impressed. He just needs to work hard and stay humble, feet on the ground as always.
As Shilo Masqala would say, this is the new Pirates because Naizolo they played without a lot of experience. Just Apolis no Belebele no Hoto. The rest abafana bancane abafana basha it was worse second half. Sekungena bongwato wabomulai youngsters ukuthi abajwayelanga ukudlalela Pirates at that level. Maubega from first half to second half and the bench it was new players. Noma kungeno Sebastian Peterson another new players. Is this new Orlando Pirates team a force to be reckoned with, and do you think the likes of Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns bangayisaba le Pirates le?
Yeah, no, ngeke, never. Awa. Hey, ngeke. Uyabazi laba laba abanye singabancenga laba abanye lawo. Uyabazi angithi M2. Yeah, laba abanye singabancenga lawo. Laba basehloko bangasilimaza. Laba abanye singabancenga ngayo le team le uyabazi laba basa yabo basase, but that's why ngisho ngithi I don't think obviously they still have to gel, they still have to come to the party yokuthi bawazana, because of you saw the second half was a bit scrappy, man. You understand, everyone trying to do certain things, because I think also they also got few chances. It's just a decision making from Sekhukhune, and then yes, from us you can see glimpse of certain players, certain individual wanting to take control, you know. One thing I didn't see is amachitangata baby halati izolo ngathi bebangampasi, man. Yeah. The only time bangimbona I saw him baga press abaga marka, you know, trying to get that shape. But nje nanje ukuthi bamnike, because I didn't see that. I didn't see him more on the ball, and which is not a good look, man. It's not a good look. Maybe they have their own reasons, but most of the players, Njongobushilo, abangenile, is players ukuthi bafuna impress coach. So you have sometimes as players sinoku silinyana nje ukuthi bangilibamba ngifuna ukuyenza into yami, coach abone mina. You understand? Forgetting that it's all about the team.
At the end of the day, it's all about the team. Okay, yadlala ke Pirates bawina 2-0. New players came on second half. I think now Sekhukhune knows exactly what they're playing against this weekend. They're playing without coach wabo Cedric Kaze uthole red card. That's what happens when you move from translator to coach. But coach wabo uthole a red card kuleya game leya. And then this weekend Sekhukhune goes back to Orlando Stadium, Orlando Amstel Arena, for the second leg of EM10-8. What do you see happen, Gulia? Do you think Sekhukhune could pull up a surprise?
No, they won't. First thing is first. Izolo beyigcwele bengagcwelanga kahle. First thing. Stadium besigcwele but not kahle. So Saturday, obvious, it's gonna be packed. And knowing the coach, we as coach, always starting lineup Sake, it's always changing. But he knows how much this cup means to the supporters. Obvious supporters are saying, no mas ngai lose in. No, they are lying. Manamanga bias. So for his Sekhukhune, I don't think man. One thing in Klalengishom too is sometimes you look at the opponent, and I don't see them a backseat threat, man. You know, the players that I thought they can do something of Sekhukhune. I think jersey number 11. But I didn't see him Izolo. and then the striker now. So it's worrying, and I don't think they can pull up upset. And obviously bayazi ukuthi and manje iproblem ukuthi bengicabanga ukuthi izolo bazohlala yabona aba defend because sesibadlale kayi3 so badla kwesi3 you understand bengicabanga ukuthi bazo manje awukhona ukudefenda game 10-8 because already we are 1-0 down, you know, and yazi ngapha sine yini lento le yakhona le away goal. So now if we score now, they must score 2 or 3, so it becomes a problem. So I don't see us conceding just. We have China's 4 clean sheets now, you know, and the more you get clean sheets, the more better and chances of winning the game. But ngibone upset man, Skukune so shaga i3 jelile 3 times. No coach nje okay vamka red card zolo ya ngiyawuzwa bathi red card yakhe ayikho right mara maybe sekabaleka ukuthi at least I lost 2 games. The third one I was not involved, I was not there.
Balekele indaba zakhe. No, it seemed as though beseka feel pressure izolo. Obviously it seemed as though he was in disagreement with some of the decisions uref bekazenza bekaphikisana kakhulu, and then he had a bit of a dispute nalo Sislo, a 4th official, and then mina ngibone sekathola red card, not knowing if that's the reason ayitholile, but ngibone lo yasisi sekamcela ukuthi aphume lapha. So he was feeling the pressure. And then coach Owadu reached another milestone as Orlando Pirates head coach. 50 matches, he's won a treble, he hasn't lost to Chiefs, which is a big achievement. Because those are must my rivals Orlando Pirates Chiefs. Lababanye they there because they're just playing beautiful football. But the rival Orlando Pirates Chiefs. He hasn't lost to Chiefs. He has the MTN 8. He's won the Carling Knockout, winning the league in 50 games. As Fiso Mount Pego coach Owadu, what have you made of his Katia Abenas Orlando Pirates so far?
It's been good. It's been good, but the start was not good. We can say that before we need treble, when he started, obviously everyone was gunning for him because he didn't start well. But along the way, he managed to assemble the squad, he managed to win the changing room, he managed to involve the senior players in more things that he wants to do. Because sometimes as a coach, you need senior players, and I always say as a coach and as a former player, and right now I'm also coaching youngsters, I always say, if you win the changing room, then you win the battle. But if you lose it, then you lose the battle. So for me now, his 50 games have been good and bad, but it's only the start. And then after that, after the MTN 8, the coach went in, he won games, he played players, and he came to the part in terms of the challenges that you have when you coach Pirates. One being, obviously, everyone was gunning for him when Umabasa Hamba to say who's going to score, who's going to do what, you understand. And he won the treble, you understand. He won the treble, and now he's defending each and every trophy except Nedbank. So it's quite good that he reached that milestone, and he's still with the team. And as we said when the show started, that he's starting to build his own team, because you know, as a coach, obviously fans are saying this, or saying you inherited a team, the squad of Scar, Ribeiro, and right now a lot of players, because yeah, it looks like that Onkama player, a previous coach are leaving, but it's always the case. Players come and go, and but I'm very proud of the coach and the pressure that he took from fans, people speaking about him, former players having a say in his team selection, but he stood up. And he managed to get the results. So yeah, angumnandi.
No, sembongela coach Owadu. Before ngikhohlwa, they played the game yokuqala without Chanel Mbutuma Orlando Pirates. the difference in the score without Mbuthuma, bakwazi ukora 2 goals, and a striker scored a goal, and then a striker was also involved in the creation of the second goal because Radio Pane got the assist to Ozuna Police. And then a lot of people, obviously social media, were saying that no, but you need to understand the importance of Mbuthuma is that he distracts the defense. Where he distracted defense, but the Pirates are good. Radio Pane didn't distract the defense. He did what a striker does: score, lay back, go wing. Would you say Orlando Pirates play better with or without Mbuthuma?
No, I think it has to go back to the people who are on the field and the strength of the player. Because one thing I saw yesterday is that Radio Pane was not doing a lot. So as players, we have different techniques and abilities. You understand? So Mbuthuma is more of njengoba usho bathi distract ama defense, but manje their role akuyo is ayifuni lento leyo, into esingayifuni leyo. You want someone who can score. Then le enye ukuthi distract ama defender ibonus. First priority for a striker is to score. And what I saw Rio Pane, I think he got a chance yesterday and he missed it, and then he kept on going. And what I saw is that even the pass I police yesterday, he could have scored for himself. I think Berangam cheap goalkeeper party we were Kaiwa police, and the police akora, a police begui pefte yake, a police aka celebratanga, aka smilanga, nyawara nae boy. So I can say, but they played better yesterday, because Radio Pane gives you something else, variety, and is strong on the ball, whereby Mbuthuma is not that strong. Yes, he's person okuthi uyakichima. And one thing I engiyaziyo ngayo Mbuthuma is that awuyafika kuma right position shame. Inkinga yanayo le esiyaziyo sonke. But yeah, I think yes, we can say we played much better because of they are different in structure. So sometimes you have to just look at the difference of the players because they give you some variety. Kono dlala so, and we are sometimes njengoba coach ashilo ukuthi I think I heard him say he needed Mbuthuma to arrest, and then coach has to look at other strikers. Segas Bonile striker. The question is, will Mbuthuma come back on the weekend? Since Rado got an assist and got a goal. But I know the answer, so I won't say it. Because Nyamazo coach Wadu.
Mbuthuma will be back. That's the answer. And then Sfiso, in closing, do you think Orlando Pirates should sign a Milford boy?
Definitely fit to. Fit. I know they must sign that boy. Hence I said we are kumbula with previous show yet fit that Undlovu bekadingeka. For isn't that so? You understand? Squishy man. So now obviously we have to go to the market and look. But ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyabathemba man. Ngiyamthemba itime ngiyalithemba itime alishanga ni surprise mfethu. Itime angeke wazi. Uzoza wathi uVitboy use Europe. Use flight in Europe. Kanti nangi lapha eIron Stadium uyalenda. So for me it will be a very good signing. I've watched the boy, and I think I've watched him also at the NFT. So if we get that signing, I think at least inhliziyo zethu as mama Pagania zothobeka mfethu. Yabo, because we some need them too. I think we need a number 10. We can't hide. Angeke siyelena le. Say I need them mfethu. Creativity, we need it because of if you even see Kemia Izolo, I think we were speaking of air no coach wala the best coach la ku Omni on the couch. Coach Ara ushilo wathi Mthiane was more getting the ball kuma defense, but he was more creative than the players funaba creative kuyo. You understand? And they don't play the same position because this is all shiny pass in fair to pull abantu. You understand? But he's playing deeper. So where's our number 10 when a certain player can do that in that position, in that deep position? So we do need someone. I thought I was not happy. I'm not happy Vele Guti Tito left because of I think he was gonna give more this season. You know, seeing the way he started. And manje asina number 10. Angeke sidlalisa ama defenders sibe ngathi former coach Bafana dlale nga3 holding a whole team like Pirates. It can happen. So yeah.
Yeah, no. Orlando Pirates needs a number 10 indeed. Fiso besicela usivalela yona. Tanko.
Oh, sure Bafethu. Thanks for joining us. We always appreciate you going live with us. You know, Omni Audio Africa, Fiso Mieni Show. We always speak about football. Nyazi Bafethu. Nothing personal. Asiko personal. Sometimes you guys think we are personal. We are not. We always talk so that now you can engage with us. We know you won't agree with us. Vele, some other things you won't. But other things, and when you agree, you must accept that you agree. So thanks Bafethu Nyazi. Omni Audio Africa. Sivala kanjalo Bafethu. Awe.